Welcome to the new video. Here I am exploring the farmers market, local farmers market. So let's take a look. What we have here. So we have a lot of, some peaches, some dried fruits, nuts. And I really recommend you that if you're trying to be like fruit-based or fruitarian or raw vegan, definitely go to a local farmers market. You can get really cheaper stuff, and if you ask for overripe stuff, they're definitely gonna give you that, I'm sure, and you're gonna get that at a discount. Got a lot of fruits, vegetables, peppers, zucchini, tomatoes, corn. Stick with the fruit the most. These plums. Really cheap, really amazing. If only people ate more of this, we wouldn't be faced with such high disease and obesity. Just we would live in a much better world, much more ethical. And these are all locally grown and really healthy, and just so amazing. And if you think, oh my God, it's bad to be a fruitarian or whatever, just the best thing is to educate yourself more about it. And you don't have to even do fruitarian. If it does help you to reach a higher vibration, it really does. But if that's not your goal, then eat some cooked veggies and rice on occasion. But high carb, low fat is the way to go. Absolutely. And here I love going to the markets and exploring. These plums and just looking at these beautiful fruits and vegetables. Watermelons. Look how many watermelons, and vegetables and onions and cucumbers. And definitely the thing is, there's so many plastic bags, so I always, if I'm gonna use plastic bag, always reuse it, because it's helping the planet. Buying fruits and vegetables is helping the planet, and not contributing to animal slaughtering. And here I got really some cheap dates, as you can see there, and these are some dry. I don't really buy that nuts and stuff, but it's good to have an option. But always stick with the low fat, high carb. So here we got the dates. They're on the left in that yellow box for $1.50. So basically 1 kilo is about $3, or actually less than that, like $2.80. And that's the best price that I've found in Serbia. And that's, dates are more expensive usually than these other fruits. And always stick with the local. What is in season, that's what's gonna be the cheapest right now. And this time when I'm filming this video, what is its season is nectarines, watermelon, grapes. And I buy most of that. And also plums and melons, and it's really, I had a lot of apricots there, from my garden. I actually have my garden, and I have apricots and bananas, raspberries, oranges, lemons, pears. So abundant. It's not restriction. What about this is restriction? When people say fruitarian diet it is the most abundant diet that and it's not diet, it's a lifestyle. It's really something that you commit and do as a do, and practice as a lifestyle. But yeah, I'm filming here not just fruits but vegetables. There can become some chard. I ate some chard today, and veggies, carrots, parsley, beetroot, tomatoes. It's fine. In my opinion, eating vegetables is absolutely fine. I know that a lot of fruitarians are gonna tell you like it's not really like good, and I agree that fruit is always the best, and number one choice should always be fruit. But I believe that vegetables is better than even some raw food, cooked veggies. But of course, like the dried food, spices and nuts and cacao and stuff like that. Vegetables, even cooked veggies are better in my opinion and experience. But yeah, always stick to the fruit, and you can't go wrong. Just eat enough of fruit and really commit to it as a lifestyle, and don't do it for just some fad, trendy thing. This is really a lifestyle that you want to practice and that you want to put your being into it, and you are going to reach the experience levels over the years, because it does take years. So yeah, I'm walking here and I'm just looking at different varieties and types of fruits and vegetables, and I really think that's fun and a great thing. It's much better than buying at the supermarket. Always, and you can always, pick and choose the ripe ones, the sweet ones, and I found that it's much easier to get things at discount. Obviously, we know what we want to support. We want to support animal liberation, and as well to be healthy ourselves. So, how, having some beans and stuff, on occasion, I think that's fine. But I think that you should stick to fruit if you want to reach the highest vibration, feel your best, and this is the local Serbian farmers market, and yeah, that's a lot of options: pears, plums, bananas, tomatoes, and yeah, just filming around and walking. This is me traveling a little bit with some mushrooms, different types of mushrooms. That's great too. You make some salads and make it interesting. You make it just sometimes you make juices, make smoothies, and it's really fun. And I really recommend you to just, if you're not vegan already, to absolutely go vegan and explore your inner self and try to detox the negativity and toxicity of this world and take in what's beautiful and happy. And you're going to manifest your thoughts into an actual real life situations if you truly decide to set your mind into it.